Hello everyone. Today we will see an essay on the topic Unity in Diversity. This essay has points like introduction, conclusion, etc. Let's begin with introduction. India is a land of many cultures, languages and religions. This diversity makes our country unique and rich in traditions. Despite the differences, people in India live together in harmony. This is called unity in diversity. Cultural diversity. India has many festivals like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and Pongal. People from different backgrounds celebrate these festivals together, showing respect for each other's customs and traditions. This creates a bond among them. Linguistic diversity. There are various official languages in India. People speak different languages in different regions, but they communicate and understand each other. This shows that language is not a barrier in our country. Religious diversity. India is home to many religions such as Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, and Buddhism. People follow their own religions and also respect others. This mutual respect helps in maintaining peace and harmony. Regional diversity. Different parts of India have different climates, foods, and clothing. For example, people in the north wear woolen clothes in winter, while people in the south wear light cotton clothes. Despite these differences, everyone shares a common national identity. Conclusion. Unity in diversity is the strength of our country. It teaches us to live together peacefully and to respect each other's differences. This unity makes India a strong and vibrant nation. We should always cherish and celebrate our diversity. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you are new to the channel. Thank you.